I'm going to be showing you how to make these 3-ingredient unicorn treats. They only take 5 minutes to make. They're so simple, so keep watching to find out how I made them. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious unicorn treats. There's only 3 ingredients in each of them. They take like 5 minutes preparation to make them and they are so delicious. I have a unicorn custard slice here, some unicorn fudge which is topped with some sprinkles, and when you bite into it you have this fabulous like rainbow effect on the inside. These are really easy to make, so let's get started on these simple recipes. Okay, so first up I'm going to show you how to make the easier of the two. It's my unicorn fudge. It's just a case of combining all the ingredients in a pot, melting it down, adding your food colouring, your sprinkles or whatever you like, and then popping it in a tin to set. I'll list all the ingredients in the description below, so don't worry if you miss anything. So let's get started on that. Okay, so next up our delicious unicorn custard slice. It could not be easier. I'm going to roll out my ready roll puff pastry. I know some professional bakers who don't even make their own puff pastry. Nobody has time for that. Anybody got time for that? So I have bought some in. I'm going to cut it into rectangles and pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. Then I'm going to leave it on a wire rack to cool before I cut them in half to fill them. So when the pastry has cooled, I can make my custard filling and whip up my cream for the inside of my custard slice. I'm going to add some pink food colouring to my custard to give that fabulous unicorn fun effect. I'm going to add it to the very bottom, then I'm going to add my cream, and then I'm going to top my top layer of pastry with some delicious rainbow frosting. So let's get started on that. So that's it guys, they are my 2 easy 5-minute 3-ingredient unicorn treats. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial. I had a lot of fun making them. Custard slices are my all-time favourite treat when I go into a bakery, so I'm glad I've done my own twist on them today, and I think they turned out really cool. And who wouldn't enjoy these treats? They're so easy to whip up, and your friends and family are going to love you if you make them, or if you just want to stuff your face really quickly and you don't want to spend all day in the kitchen, then these are perfect to try out. Let me know if you do try them. Of course, give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, hit that subscribe button and comment below, and I'll see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.